We are proud to bring to you to introduce finally our pomade and our beard balm, which is just amazing. So basically what I want to do is show you how to use it. Now this is something we worked on for years. It is probably going to be the best product you'll ever find to put for your hair, to groom it, to grow it, to nourish it, to deeply condition it, add elasticity. It's all natural, so it soaks into the hair, and it just works very well. So basically, this video is only pretty much to show you how to use it. So the the beard butter is like a little bit thicker consistency than the pomade. The pomade, I would say, is a medium to light hold. This is a medium to medium heavy hold. So basically, you take this, scoop a little bit out. I've scooped a little bit here. I'll say about that much. You put it in your hand and you rub it together until you'll see. Does the camera seeing that? So you'll see where it gets. Should took these rings off. Whereas it evens out all over the hands. So after you take that, when you put it in your hair, you just let it, whether it's the beard, you let it squish into your beard. When you rub it with your hands, with the palms of your hands, and massage it into your beard. After that, all you gotta do is comb it. It won't leave a greasy buildup. Brush it as you desire, and be prepared for some phenomenal results. One thing I have to say, a disclaimer. Now, this is all natural. This is high-end, expensive products. A lot of it, your hair is going to grow faster. It's going to maintain the color. So if you have deep brown hair, to stay deep brown. If you have black hair, to stay very black. But your hair will grow faster using these products. So if you get a haircut once a week, you may need a haircut sooner, but the results of your hair, the health of your hair, the way your hair lays and looks, it's just phenomenal. We did not stop until we felt that we could come out with the absolute best pomade and beard butter imaginable. So that's what we guarantee. I guarantee if you use this for 15 to 30 days, you'll be amazed with the results. Check us out, crownqualityproducts.com, as always. The most important person in the room right here is you watching this right now. God bless, and thank you for all of the support.